Experience a calming vibrational therapy session designed to support relaxation. This practice focuses on gentle vibrations to soothe the nervous system. The session begins with slow breathing to settle the mind and body. Soft rhythmic sensations help the body feel balanced and grounded. Vibrational therapy works with natural frequencies of relaxation. Each moment encourages the release of built-up tension. The rhythm remains steady, smooth, and non-overwhelming. Gentle vibrations support a sense of safety and calm. The body gradually responds with deeper relaxation. This therapy emphasizes balance rather than intensity. Quiet pauses allow sensations to spread naturally. Vibrational awareness helps reduce mental restlessness. The atmosphere stays peaceful and comforting throughout. Breathing becomes slower as stress gently fades. This practice supports emotional ease and clarity. Many people feel lighter and more relaxed afterward. Vibrational therapy is ideal for stress relief and mindfulness. It encourages harmony, calm, and overall well-being.